How to extract zip files on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll simply show you how you can extract zip files on your Android device, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to extract zip files on Android, there are a couple of ways on how you can do this. Now you might have downloaded a RAR file or a zipped file, which means an archived file from the internet, or now you want to extract it. And if you want to extract those zip files, you need an extracting application. Now on most Android phones, this is your default file manager app, which means your file manager which you get on your stock Android might also support extracting, but I really wouldn't recommend it. What I would recommend you do is open up your Play Store and download an application that is so wonderful, and that is simply called ZArchiver or ZArchiver, whatever you name it. Just download this application called ZArchiver. It is one of the best applications for compressing and then extracting RAR or zip files. Once you download and install this application, I'm going to open it to grant it all of the permissions that it requires, and it's just like a file manager but in a different format and a different UI. So over here you want to navigate to the folder where you downloaded and place those specific zip files that you want to extract. In my case, it's inside the downloads folder. So as you can see, I have a zip file that is wallpaper.zip. Now the spelling might be wrong, but that's just wallpaper.zip, and if I want to extract it, I'll just tap on it once. I have two options. I can just extract it. If I extract here, if all of the files in it are not placed inside a folder, they're going to be just extracted all of that like that. But what I personally like doing is I like doing extractive, which what this does is it is going to create a separate folder on the same name, and it is going to place all of the files inside that same folder. So I'm just going to tap on extract to that, and once I do that, you can see a new folder at the very top, and then here you'll be able to see all of the files. Now if I selected only extract here, then it would extract all of these files right outside of it without including them in a separate folder, which is going to make things messy. But if you want to extract it, then of course you can see all of the files has been extracted to this specific folder. Now these are some just wallpapers. I can go ahead and then open it and then view them as well. And that's all it takes to extract zip files on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.